What's going on, everybody? Well, I finally got my new motorcycle. It's been a long wait. I sold my Harley a while back with the intention of buying a on-off-road bike. I had my heart set on getting a Yamaha Tenere 700, but they were basically nowhere to be found for availability due to COVID, global supply chain issues, you name it, and being a very, very popular bike. So I kind of wrote it off this summer, this season, for riding a motorcycle. I had my wife's cruiser, but kind of had my heart set on getting out on the east back roads in Vermont here, do some trail riding, some of these class 4 roads and forest roads. I've pretty much ridden every piece of pavement around here several times over on the Harley, and honestly I was just getting bored with it, and I was longing to get off-road because, as some of you know who follow my channel, I know I do a lot of snowmobiling and riding a side-by-side. I like getting out away from things, and being on the pavement really didn't provide that opportunity. So my dealership had a post on Facebook back in, I don't know, I think June, just saying that, you know, about how they're having issues with stuff coming in, but they had some equipment coming in, bikes, side-by-sides, whatever. And I knew they never had a Yamaha T7. I just, on a whim, I jokingly posted on their Facebook post, I said, you wouldn't happen to have a Yamaha T7 coming in? And I wrote, wishful thinking, haha. Well, lo and behold, I had a guy private message me back from the dealership who I dealt with several times. He goes, as a matter of fact, we've been chosen to get one. We have no idea when it's coming in. It says a potential July time frame. So I was like, boom, I put my deposit down on this bike. Now, he said, you know, it says July, but it might not happen. I said, yeah, I understand that. So July comes, end of July, I message him, and they're like, nah, they're saying now August ship date. I'm like, okay. I had a lot of stuff going on this summer, and plus I had a lot of things keeping me entertained, so I really wasn't overly worried about it. So August comes, I messaged him end of August. I'm like, so what's it look like? He's like, well, looks like September now. I'm like, and I'm getting more and more discouraged. I'm like, I said, well, I'll message you first week of September. I said, if it gets much past that, I said, I might just cancel it. I said, because at that point, you know, we're getting, I don't know if it's going to be here in October, and, you know, we're getting, changing the seasons up here, and pretty much right now is like the best riding time up here in the Northeast for me personally. The weather is really nice, the leaves are starting to change, fall's coming, and it's great riding. So lo and behold, he's like, I just got a message and it's dropping on Thursday. And this was Wednesday I was talking to him. I'm like, awesome. Of course, I know they had to put it together and all that stuff. So, beautiful place there. So, lo and behold, a week later, they had it ready for me. I went down, picked it up, and here I am out on the back roads right away. And I'm actually loving this thing already. I've only done a little bit of mileage on it now before I got my helmet cam. I wanted to make sure I was going to be used to riding it, you know, it is a different seating position for sure. But I tell you what, this bike, from the short amount that I've ridden it, is amazing. It burns through the twisties, so nimble, and being on these back roads, just exactly what I wanted. I got to get a little more seat time under me before I kind of venture off into some of the trails and stuff that I'm thinking about going. But I'm only going to do that when I get some riding buddies with me, because I'm certainly it's been a long time since I've ridden a dirt bike. So I definitely I got some protective equipment that's on order, that's coming. I got some crash bars. I got a rack on the back, and I got some like soft luggage racks that are coming, that when I start having some soft luggage on here. I had my eye on some different setups. Wow, look at these trees, they're already changing up here. Mind you, it's September 9th. I'm heading up higher into the mountains up in Vermont. These are all national forest roads that I'll be riding on. But anyways, that's the deal. I got this new bike. I'm super excited about it. I'm going to be doing a bunch of videos. I know I've been lacking in motorcycle videos, moto vlogs. So, this guy backing up on me. So here's a little quick video. I'm going to embed here the bike I took, just a little walk around, check it out, and I will check back later. I'm going to be hitting some different areas. Anyways, enjoy the ride. I'll check in later. Bye. Right up there's Mount Abraham, over the back of that tree line right there. This is we're heading into the national forest. Some of these back roads here. Some last few houses. Actually, I'm sorry, that's Mount Abe over there. It's a beautiful piece of property right here. We're up near Lincoln, Vermont. A lot of these some of these roads are part of the Northeast BDR trail system for ADV riders take it, and I'll be on some of those, on and off some of those. But yeah, check out this piece of phenomenal property right here. It's absolutely beautiful. Be banging a left here, heading south. I had to make a slight detour off the mountain to come down and get some gas, but that gave me a opportunity to go through the beautiful town of Brandon, Vermont. As you see here, this is like very picturesque town. Churches, nice little downtown area. Great little restaurants down through here. go through the little side part over here. It's all been redone. This little area. This is the Brandon Inn right here. Foley's Taco and Bean. Now we're gonna go down this little side street. This is where all the like historical homes are at. They've been all preserved and they're really beautiful, as you can see starting right here. I try to get a good perspective of them. They're just all well kept and well preserved. Look at that one. Woo, nice. All these homes are very, very nice. Quite the artistry went into building homes back in the day. That's for sure. I mean, look at this place. Just amazing. So that was the town of Brandon, Vermont. I'm heading back up into the mountains to hit some more back roads. Up here a little bit, we're gonna hit some little twisties on the, this is called the road we're on right now. Let's call it Brandon Gap Road. It's one of the gaps that go up over the mountains and a lot of switchbacks. We'll hit some on the lower end before I turn off to one of the forest roads.